Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Shaem TechBD.
Why can't I connect to Wi-Fi on my laptop? There could be several reasons why you can't connect to Wi-Fi on your laptop. Here are some steps you can take to troubleshoot the issue. Check that your laptop's Wi-Fi is turned on. Most laptops have a physical switch or key combination such as FN plus F2 that can turn the Wi-Fi on and off. Check that your laptop is within range of your Wi-Fi network. If you are too far away from the Wi-Fi router, your laptop may not be able to connect to the network. Make sure your Wi-Fi network is visible to your laptop. If your network is hidden, you will need to manually enter the network name as SSID and password. Check that you are entering the correct Wi-Fi password. If you are unsure of the password, try resetting the router or contacting your internet service provider for assistance. Restart your laptop and router. Sometimes simply restarting your devices can resolve connection issues. Update your Wi-Fi drivers. Outdated or missing drivers can cause connection issues. Visit your laptop manufacturer's website and download the latest drivers for your Wi-Fi adapter. Check for interference from other devices. Other electronic devices, such as microwaves or cordless phones, can interfere with Wi-Fi signals. If none of the above steps work, there may be a more serious issue with your laptop's Wi-Fi adapter or with the router itself. In this case, it may be necessary to seek professional assistance.
If you have any problem, you can comment us. I have a request. If you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.